In the same way, it should be planned in a proper way and celebrating the same event with a proper management. It is called as event management. A unique moment in time of celebrated with a ceremony and rituals of to satisfy the specific needs. So what are the process? So how we can satisfy customer? How we can make the event very grand success? In our family members only, they don't say we are the event managers, but they will manage that event. They are also event managers. Hello my dear students, I am Rajay sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, Mysuru, Temple of Excellence. My dear students, in today's session I am going to handle the subject Management of Service for second sem BBA, and the topic is Event Management Service. My dear students, in today's session I am going to handle a new chapter called Event Management. Now let's see what are the introduction in the regarding event management. See, event management is not to events or not new to our Indian culture. So in Indian culture, we are celebrating so many events, so many festivals, so many get-togethers. So we were celebrating all the functions with large number of family members and friends. We were celebrating, but celebrating the same events with systematic manner, with so many arrangement in a planned way, that is called as event management. So event means, so if you have observed, so in our home only, it may be home ceremony, or it may be housewarming, or it may be other marriages, it may be naming ceremony. So we are celebrating so many events in the family, day-to-day life of our life. But in the same way, it should be planned in a proper way and celebrating the same event with a proper management. That is called as event management. In today's era, so many business and companies and individuals coming up with event management service, with their own new ideas, new practices, new culture. So they are bringing. So it may be having different country, will be having different types of culture. So with adjusting or with bringing new technologies and new types of management or event management service. So they are growing. So day by day they are growing, and also they are bringing few new techniques and new mechanism to celebrate the event management in a planned way. So that's what. So India over a past couples of decades, it has witnessed a phenomenal growth in the event management industry. So in olden days, our father, our grandfathers and grandmothers also celebrating events, but they were not planning in such a way what we are planning today. So they were calling relatives and family members and neighbors, and they were preparing food and all, and they were sharing food and they were enjoying the event. But today, so they are giving to contract to event management to take all the responsibility. So it may be take care of guests and also preparing food, catering facility for the guest, and also arranging rooms for the guest, and are also arranging the transportation facility. So taking all the care, taking all the pressure and responsibility to manage the event. So it is when we give that contract, we are giving our responsibility and our tensions also. So managing the event is a big tension. Understanding, for example, in a marriage only, so the elders of the family will be busy in treating all the guests and also all the friends. So how to manage the event? So there we have to take care of the catering service. We have to take care of the transportation service. So we have to arrange the hotel service for the guests. So these things has to be taken care. So earlier only family members only sharing all the responsibilities, and friends only sharing all the responsibility and doing and managing the event. But they did not plan. Even though they were having small plan, they could not plan in such a way how event management in today a world they are doing. So now, in order to bring our tension down, in order to bring our responsibility down to manage the event, so our new business are coming up with event management service in order to bring our tension. So we can become tension free, we can become responsibility free. So we can treat our guests and family, friends and members. So they will take care of catering, they will take care of transportation of guests, they will take care of arranging the hotel and other food and other facility for the guests, and also decoration of the event, arrangements, other arrangements. It may be sports event, it may be big college or school festivals. So other events related to college and other schools. So education related events, it may be business events, so it may be conference. So the new business entrepreneurs are coming up to provide the help or to provide the service to make our event in a better way, make our events successful. To make our event successful, they are helping us. So now let's see. So event have always been a part of the Indian culture. So since ages we are celebrating the events, but we are not planning in a with step by step or in a according some way. We could not plan the event, but in today's scenario, in today's world, so our event management service providers are planning with a effective plan, and also they start to implement the effective plans. So it may be arrangements, it may be decorations, it may be music, or it may be other transportation service for the guest, and also food and accommodation service for the guests. So they started to do all the events. Next one, the entertainment also, in the entertainment industry also developing because of event management services. Next one, so event is commonly understood as an occurrence or something that happens. So for example, some good things happen, or some management or some things, some celebration is called as event. Next one, a unique moment in time of celebrated with a ceremony and rituals of to satisfy the specific needs, in order to satisfy the specific needs of the customers. So it is a celebration, it is a ritual event. It may be ritual events like marriages and naming ceremony, or it may be celebration, or it may be friends, it may be party, it may be college days or school days. So we are celebrating like that. Next one, event management is a coordination. So we have to coordinate everything. So there was for example, before an event there will be nothing. So we have to coordinate. We have to bring the catering facility, we have to bring the decoration, we have to bring the music, we have to bring the everything should be decorated, everything should be arranged. So we need coordination. So we need coordination and running and planning. So we have to coordinate first, later that we have to plan everything. So before event or before function there will be nothing. So we have to arrange the stage, we have to arrange the chairs, we have to provide the food and accommodation facility. So in order to do that, we have to plan everything. Next one, for all the people, teams and features that comes together, care every kind of the events. So all the people, so we have to arrange all the peoples. It may be catering for food preparation, it may be food distribution, or it may be other arrangements we have to do. Music system we have to arrange, we have to arrange the decoration, we have to arrange the food and shelter facility, hotel facility for the guests. So it is a people oriented, it is a people oriented. Event management is a people oriented. It may be trip, or it may be college trip is an event. College function is an event. So business function, also business conference, seminars. So we have so many events in today's world. So everything has to be people oriented. So it is providing service also by people also. It is a service. It is a service. So provision of the event service and consumption of the event service, it is only people oriented. Next one, so everything should come together to take care of all kinds of events. Next one, so event management is the process of anything, planning, marketing. So we have to plan, we have to market it. So we have to market it. So many people doesn't know about event management. We have to give the proper information. Sir, yes sir, we are celebrating in this way. We can celebrate in this way. We can make your event memorable in this way. So we can make your event successful in this way. So we have to provide the proper information, awareness about because event management is a new thing to our Indian culture. Even though in business sector, it is every day they are coming up with event management for all the functions, but family functions and all, so the family members only managing the event. But in today's world or in current scenario, private businessmen and also other entrepreneurs are coming up with the event management service. Next one, producing and evaluating an event. So we have to calculate what is the cost of the event, so how effectively we can bring more satisfaction to the customers. So this is what marketing of event. It is a different way of promoting product and services or idea. So it is a different way. It is not ordinary way. It is a different way. So we have to promote the event management idea. We have to bring so many things for example, so we have to mix the culture. So for example, in USA, they are celebrating some events with rituals and some other event management planning. So we have to bring those things to our culture. So it is a fusion. We have to make fusion. So for some Indian culture, we have to take to Western culture. We can take to Western culture or Western event management. So something which is happening, which is good thing happening in the Western culture, Western event management, we can bring to our Indian culture. We can mix it, and also we can come up with new idea, new event management. Next one, if an event is managed efficiently and effectively, it can be used as a very powerful promotion tool for launch of a market or product service. So even a product launch. What do you mean by product launch? For example, a Tata company is coming up with a new car. A Tata company is coming up with a new car. So it has to be celebrated. Then only we can market the product. It should be so grand celebration. For example, movies. So many producers are coming up with the movie. Why they will celebrate? It may be music release of the movie. It may be first day, first show of the movie. Why they are celebrating? So in order to attract the customers, in order to attract the fans. So that's why we have to celebrate. It may be in product also. When launching the new product, we have to celebrate in a big way so that the customer should get understand that the company is coming up with the new product. They are coming up with the new service. So for example, with music, with customers, we have to bring some very popular figure. It may be superstar, it may be other film star, it may be other stars, sports stars. We can come, or we can invite those new celebrities or big celebrities, and also we should celebrate in a big way. The event will be successful. So in order to do all these things, we have to plan. So everything should be planned, everything should be arranged before happening, isn't it? So it is a big, huge responsibility. It is a big responsibility. So even managers can take this responsibility with huge care. So because they will be having experience by conducting so many events, by running so many events, they will be having so much of experience. Ordinary people cannot do these things, isn't it? So we don't know where we can get cheap labors, where we can get cheap products, where we can get cheap service. And because of their experience, since they are having all this, since they are having established or managed so many events, they are having so much of experience in this. So by using this experience, their knowledge, their skill, and their planning, they can bring all the different parts or different systems of the event to one place, and they will make event management successful. Next one, event management is requires a certain core values to be deployed to every elements. What are those? It is a process. So what are the process? So how we can satisfy customer, how we can make the event very grand success or a big success. So this is a process. Everything has to be done in a process. So how to prepare the food? So in order to prepare the food, we have to get we have to bring all the materials. So where we can get the cheap materials to prepare the food? Where we can get good chef who prepares very wonderful dishes at a lesser cost. At a lesser cost, we should make the event successful. So where decorative materials, for example, where we can get the decorative materials at cheaper cost. So these things we have to manage, these things we have to plan. It may be flower decoration, it may be other lightings. So where we can get cheaper materials for this in order to make the event management successful. So it should be grand, it should be grand way, in a grand way, but it should be lesser cost. Then only event management will be successful. Next one, so the decision decision to justify the professional approach and achieve the effectiveness of efficient result. So already I told you, nowadays in family functions, the family members only manage the event because it is a small number. For example, 500 to 1000 members coming to family ceremony. So family members only can manage. If it is a large event, so thousands of people coming, and maybe big event where the powerful people in the country or the celebrities of the country are participating in that event. So we need security for them. We have to provide security. We have to take care of their food and accommodation. We have to take care other people's also. So many lakhs of people are coming to that event. So we have to manage them. We have to provide the parking facility. We have to do the decorations and music system should be happen. So these things we have to manage in a large way. So one or two people or family members cannot do these things. So we need event management service. So it is a coordination between all the members. There will be so many volunteers will be there. There will be so many other businessmen, entrepreneurs come up with huge investment to conduct the event. So we need investment. We need people. We need all plans. We need process. So what should be happen first and which should be happen next. So everything should be in a plan, step by step plan way. So in order to do these things, so we need event management service. So individually we cannot do or we cannot manage a big events, corporate events, or the event where the celebrities are coming and participating in that event. It may be politicians, it may be celebrities, it may be popular figures are participating in that event. So we need event management service to, or we need help of the businessman or entrepreneur who is having so much of experience in that field in order to maintain that event management. Next point, there are several closely related fields of management that involve the event management contribute to event studies. What do you mean by that? So for example, tourism industry is related to event management, hotel industry is related to event management, transportation industry is related to event management. So we need coordination all different types of industries, hospitality industries, hotel industry, tourism industry, transportation industry. So everything is inclusive in the event management. Everything is inclusive in the event management. That's why, so although professionals in these fields might not call themselves event managers, they coordinate production or marketing of events in sometimes an important part of their work. So even though they don't say they are managing the events, but even though in our family members only, they don't say we are the event managers, but they will manage that event. They are also event managers. But it is in a small way. It is in a small management. It is small group of people's management. So even though they are event managers, they will not call them as a event managers. Okay. But in a corporate field, in a professional way, we will call them as event manager who takes all this responsibility and care to provide the food and to provide the other all functions. It is a coordination. It is bringing everything at some place. For example, political event. It is only a big field. There will be nothing. But what they will do in that day, it may be 1 or 2 days function will be, they have to arrange. So there are lakhs of people will be coming. They have to arrange they have to set a stage. They have to set all arrangements. Lightings has to be happen. Transportation facility has to be happen. Parking facility has to be happen. Provision of food facility has to be happen. And also the guests who will come, we have to arrange them. Food and accommodation facility has to be happen. So all things has to be happen in a single day. So it is they have to think or they have to plan for months for 1 day or 2 day event. They have to think for a whole month. They have to plan for a whole month in order to implement those things in 1 or 2 days event. So what are the types of events here? First one, sports event. Sports event means maybe Olympics. So today the Olympics is happening in Tokyo, Japan. So isn't it? So in order to so many international counterparts, international sports persons are coming, international politicians are coming, international so much popular figures and celebrities are coming to event management in the Olympics. How they are managing? So they have to arrange different sports will be conducting will different in place. So they need some equipments, they need some facilities to conduct some events. The field has to be arranged, auditorium has to be arranged. To conduct the sports event, we need all the facility done. So we have to provide the food and shelter facility, accommodation facility has to be done, transportation facility has to be done. Okay, so we need 5-star hotel facility has to be happen there. So because they are international sports person, so they are so much popular figure, and also so many politicians are coming to that event. And also we have to provide proper security. Nowadays it is a corona time, so we have to take care of their health also. So how to manage these things? Even some small thing happens, so some small thing went wrong, it is a big dark mark to that event. That's why, so it is a very careful and critical thinking has to happen to conduct the event. Now, sports by nature involves a competition, both regularly scheduled and on time, one time, coordination, production and marketing of events, usually an essential part of the job. So everything has to be coordinated. So there will be celebration, there will be prize distribution will be there, and also accommodation will be there. All things has to be happened. Next point, venue management. What do you mean by venue management? So the International Association of Assembly Managers represents the public assembly facility from around the globe. So IAAM is a International Association of Assembly Managers, represents public assembly facilities from around the globe. So they suggest that include managers and senior executives from auditoria, arenas and convention centers, exhibit halls and performance and arts and theatre. So they have to arrange all these things. Arts and performance will be there, and also stadium we have to arrange the stadium, and we have to exhibit halls. We have to arrange the exhibit halls, and we have to arrange senior executives. We have to arrange them. So food and shelter and other accommodation facility has to happen for the senior executives. Their judge will be coming from different parts of the world. So we have to take care of them. So next one, they attract millions of patrons of large variety of events, from the football to rock concerts, conventions and performing arts. So there will be music systems or musical nights will be happening, concerts will be happening. So how do you manage these things? Everything comes under venue management. Next one, hospitality management. So what do you mean by hospitality management? Here, hotels, catering and resorts. This comes under hotel, catering and resorts. Here, events are core hospitality subject, embodying the catering services and quality and experiential dimensions. So what do you mean by this? See, in hotels, so if you go to hotels, you get wonderful foods. So there also we have to manage events. We will organize some musical nights in hotels. We have to provide the wonderful accommodation, ambience we have to provide. Isn't these things happen in hotels? Next one, more specifically, hotels and restaurants managers are responsible for the event or functions. In hotels also, so many events will happen. For a naming ceremony, it may be business concert, it may be seminar, it may be marriage, or family functions or business function, corporate functions are happening in hotels. So there also we had the hotels managers has to take care of all this care. So everything has to be happen. So catering facility has to happen. Whatever the guests there coming to the hotels, we have to provide the food and accommodation facility for them, and transportation facility has to happen. Parking facility we have to provide in the hotel. All this responsibility on whom? On the hotel managers. Next one, hospitality management, hotel catering service. The most common functions held in the hotel, restaurants and other hospitality venues are wedding and banquets. So wedding happening in the wedding and marriage functions happens. Next one, private parties. So graduation days will happen, private parties will happen, business parties. Next one, meeting and conventions. So it may be meeting of the business concern and convention and also happens. Next one, customers and trade shows. Consumers and trade shows happen in the hotels. Next one, event management. So an entertainment event. So entertainment means, so for example, a group of students, a group of business members will celebrate some events. Next one, corporate functions like product launches. These things happens in the hotels. So these are all the things which has to be taken care by the hotel managers. So they will distribute their work. There will be procedure. So they have to plan everything in a certain order to make the event successful. Next one, so event management in a park and recreation centers. So what do you mean by in the event management? For example, will be park, amusement park will be there, and also local parks will be there. So there, what are the events they will conduct? So there also some music functions they will conduct. So and also some public functions they will conduct in parks. So these things has to happen. So what are the precautionary measures we have to take in the happens? What are the events in park and recreation centers? Most towns and cities run sports facility that host numerous events and parks that provides their spaces for the festivals and other public gatherings. So for example, celebration of Holi happens in park, celebration of some festivals happens in park. For example, in Ganesh and Gauri Chaturthi, Ganesh and Ganesh Chaturthi will happens in parks only. So how to manage the events? Even the corporate, even though it is organized by a group of young youths, but it can be managed with there will be musical nights will be there, and there will be provision of food, and also celebrations will be there, and also musical nights they will conduct. So all these things has to be planned. Next one, so event management in a private event. Now what are the events we can conduct in the park? So for example, private events or celebrating commemorating culture, religious events, communal events, social events, life cycle occasions and schedule alone in the park we can conduct these types of event. Next one, so event like birthday parties also we can celebrate. Next one, stage party. Next one, graduation day, bachelor's party, engagements, wedding, anniversaries also we can conduct in the amusement parks, or it may be local parks in nearby areas. Next one, education events. So for example, what are the education events? For example, exhibition we will conduct in the college by students, and also we can college day we can celebrate, school day we can celebrate. These things happens in the education event. So education and career fair. Career fair is also one of the stop education exhibition focus on the students recruitment after the board of examination results. So once they get the results, so we can celebrate or we can arrange the interview. So common interview for all the students to go for or to recruitment facility. So it is where we can conduct recruitment facility. We can arrange or we can call so many business person or business organizations to come and take a campus selection. So we can arrange a campus selection. Campus selection is a huge event. So many students are coming from different colleges. So our college students also participating in the campus selection. We have to provide the food. We have to arrange the parking facility. So we have to arrange rooms, private rooms to conduct the interviews. And also stage facility we have to arrange. For example, management fest. In so many colleges, conducting management fest. How to conduct the fest? We have to we'll call the so many guests from different fields. So we will arrange the food facility, we'll arrange the parking facility for all the students who are coming, and also stage facility to performance. There will be cultural performance will be there. So we have to arrange the stage facility and also other accommodations we have to arrange. So many students are coming from the different states, different countries. So we have to arrange the accommodation facility, food and accommodation facility has to be arranged. It should be in a standard way. So all these things has to happen. So college management cannot take all these things responsibility. But what they will do? They will call for event managers, business persons who will take care of all these things. So even though we cannot do or we cannot celebrate or we cannot manage these events in a standard way. It is very difficult for the college management to take all these responsibilities. But if the person who is having the knowledge, having the experience in conducting these events, so he can conduct the event, he can make this event successful with his experience. That's why we need event management service. So this event takes place every year. So when the students are searching various career options for admissions in the institute of their choice. So events like education fairs, job fairs, workshops, seminar, debate, and also contest, competitions, etc. will happen in the college and educational service. Next one, sports event. It may be college sports, it may be business related sports. So many business organizations combined together, they will organize some sports event. For example, it is national sports, international, state level sports. So in order to celebrate all these things, we need event management service. So sports event means the athletic activity requiring skills, physical power. Next one, usually competitive in nature and governed by the state rules provided by the nationally recognized sanctioning body or by the local organization. So for example, the government of India may conduct so many events. Private schools, private colleges, private institutions are conducting events. Business corporates are conducting the sports events. And the government also, local government, for example, state level sports, national level sports, international level, for example, Olympics, and also it may be government sponsored sports, it may be cricket. These are all the sports which is national and international sports are conducted by the government. So for this also government will take a contract or give a contract for the event managers to conduct the event, because it is a large event. So in order to maintain or to manage these events, we need so much of experience and so much of knowledge. Next, event like Olympics, so World Cup, and also marathon, Wimbledon, and also wrestling matches are all conducted in international ways. In order to manage these things, event management service is very useful and important. Next one, event. So entertainment events. Entertainment events means concerts, musical nights, and also performance, recreation and amusement, diversion. Next one, spectacles of show-off, seminar events, including, but it is not only limited to theatrical. So what do you mean within only? We may not conduct this event within the theaters, but outside the theater also we may conduct so many celebrations. It may be festival celebration. It may be young youths and coming together to do the parties. It may be diversions, it may be amusements, it may be recreation facility, performance, cultural events will be there, international cultures. So it is a fusion of so much of culture. It may be conducted by the government sponsored functions also they will conduct, and also they will private sponsored functions also they will conduct. So many colleges and institutions combined together and they will conduct a event management or events. So in order to perform, in order to manage all these things, for example, students coming from different states, different districts in the same state. So we have to manage the students. So everything has to be properly planned. So without plan, we cannot. Arranging is a very difficult. So it may be decorations, it may be stage, setting a stage, it may be setting, arranging all the chairs, providing the food and accommodation for the guest and all. It is very difficult thing. So in order to manage these events, so we need, and also concerts, films, games, rides and sporting events will be there in the entertainment event. Next one, so event like music concerts, fairs and festivals, function shows and awards functions. So celebrity nights and also fashion shows and also fashion move, jewelry shows and stage shows all will be conducted. So in order to conduct all these things, so for example, setting stage is difficult. According to the program, according to the function, we have to set a stage. So fashion show, we have to set a different types of stage. In order to cultural show, we have to celebrate or we have to set a different type of stage. If it is a award function, we have to set a different type of stage. And also lighting arrangement we have to do. And also background setting we have to do. Our understanding. Next one we have to, for example in Mysore only, when you come to Mysore in the Dasara season, so we will conduct, the government of Karnataka conducts so many events. So these are all the events sponsored by the government of Karnataka. So and also local authority sponsor these many events. It may be students related, food festival they will arrange, and also exhibition they will arrange. It may be business exhibition, ordinary exhibition. Our understanding, it may be entertainment exhibition and also amusement centers they will arrange, and also flower shows they will arrange. So according to the needs of the event. So flower show, the decoration will be different. Understanding, cultural show decoration will be different, fashion show decoration will be different. So coming of celebrities, decorations will be different. So in setting a stage only we have different so many things. Management of events. So lighting arrangement should be different for a different event. Food what we provide, that should be different. The menu of the food should be different for different types of events. And also on the base of guests, on the base of people who participating in there, on the base of number of guests coming to or arriving, the number of people or participants in that events. On the base of these things we have to arrange and plan, and also on the base of budget. So on the base of budget, financial budget, so what is the area we are getting to conduct the event, so which type of area, what are the security provisions we have to think all these things to conduct the event. Event management is not a common topic, it is a huge responsibility. Even a small mistake what we do, it may affect in a bigger way. So political event, we have the political event, what are the topics or what are the points we can cover in the political events. Even like political event, it is procession, so demonstration, rally and political function, also food distribution will be there and other things will be there in the political event. To conduct these events also, it is a large gathering, it is not small gathering, lakhs of together or lakhs of peoples are attending the political event. We have to provide the food facility, we have to provide the transportation and also other parking facility to conduct the political event. It is a huge responsibility. So and also security is very, very important because so many politicians are participating. National, international politicians are participating in that event. So we have to, security is the biggest issue there. In the next session, we will discuss the characteristics of the event. Next one, tourism industry. Next one, 8 piece of the tourism and also event management industry. So till then, thank you so much.